edition. Step 1, boiling the pierogies. Time to strain them.
For our pierogies, we like to use cheddar cheese, sour cream, bacon, and onions. Okay, time to spray the waffle iron with some oil spray. Make sure nothing sticks.
Time to add your pierogies.
Time for some bacon.
Cheese time.
Okay, let's get cooking. Make sure you give it a nice firm press.
Sometimes it helps to press down the waffle iron to help everything bind together and give it that nice waffly look, guys.
Time for the grand reveal. You guys, it looks promising.
Time to take it off the waffle iron.
Oh, that is a perfect waffle.
Came out like a beauty. Time for toppings. Sour cream.
That looks so good. That is a perfect waffle.
Oh yeah.
And we like green onions on our waffles. Yummy, yummy.
Looks delicious. Time to cut it in half.
Will it waffle? Let's find out.
Oh yeah. That's so good.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Give us a subscribe and a thumbs up.
It helps a lot. We really appreciate it, and thank you for watching.
See ya.